Hey guys, it's Clary, and today I'll be showing you the top 10 things I wish I knew before starting to play Valheim. Number 1. Listen to the Raven. The Raven Hugin is your in-game tutorial. He appears after you do something new and offers explanations. If you miss a message, you can reread them by clicking the Raven icon in your crafting menu. Number 2. Start with a temporary shelter. Don't invest heavily in building a massive house right away. You'll likely find better locations later. Instead, build a small temporary camp for your first night or two to craft basic tools and weapons. Number 3. Utilize abandoned structures. Save time and resources by using abandoned buildings as your first base. They're often near your starting area and can even contain useful items and chests. Simply add a campfire, workbench, and a bed. Number 4. Be cautious when chopping trees. Larger trees create huge logs that fall with physics. If they land on your structures, they can destroy them. Always be mindful of the direction logs will fall to avoid damaging your base. Number 5. Repair tools for free at the workbench. Don't craft new tools when yours wear down. There's a somewhat hidden repair button, a small hammer icon, on the workbench in your crafting menu. Spam it to repair all your worn tools for free. Number 6. Seek variety in items and enemies. Actively look for new items to pick up and different enemies to defeat. This expands your crafting options early on. However, be careful not to wander too far into dangerous biomes. Number 7. Maintain a varied diet. Keeping yourself fed with different types of food boosts your max health and stamina, and it also provides valuable regen buffs. You can have the effects of 3 different foods at once. Number 8. Place a bed quickly in new outposts. Whenever you establish a new base, prioritize placing a bed. This ensures that if you die, it will respawn close to your death loot crate, making retrieval really easy. Number 9. Stash a spare weapon at your spawn. When you die, you lose all your equipped gear. The Raven advises this, and it's a critical tip. Keep at least one spare weapon in a chest at your spawn point. This way, you're not left defenseless when trying to retrieve your fallen items. Number 10. Understand biomes and their dangers. You start in the Meadows biome, but be aware that other biomes like the Black Forest are significantly more dangerous. The Raven will warn you the first time you cross into a new biome, but after that, you're on your own. Just don't venture into new biomes unprepared. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye guys!